Welcome to Unleashed, where we explore the untamed forces of nature. Today, we delve into the chilling truth that humans, despite their intelligence and potential for good, are also the most dangerous animals on the planet. Throughout history, humans have harnessed their abilities to shape the world around them. But this power has come at a cost. We have altered ecosystems, clearing vast forests, polluting the air and water, and driving countless species to the brink of extinction. But our danger doesn't end there. Humans possess an inherent capacity for violence and aggression. From ancient battles to modern warfare, we have unleashed devastation upon ourselves and others. And as our knowledge grows, so does the potential for more destructive weapons. Nuclear arsenals and the rise of artificial intelligence pose existential threats to humanity. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Humans have also shown remarkable resilience and the ability to change. We can harness our power for good, protecting and restoring the environment and promoting peace and equality. It's up to us to recognize the dangerous potential within ourselves and choose a path that leads to a brighter future for all. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the message. Together, we can make a difference.